Step 1. Prepare the main vehicle wiring harness, including the red power cable with fuse and the black negative cable. Step 2. Identify the front and rear wire directions. The red and black cables correspond to the rear wiring. The other end is for the front wiring. Step 3. Start by routing the front section of the harness. Insert the harness through the chassis and route it along the bottom of the windshield panel. Step 4. Feed the harness through the grommet in the windshield panel, then bend it backward from the front to guide it toward the vehicle head. Step 5. Adjust the length of the harness to align with the light pole position, leaving appropriate slack as per factory preset lead length. Step 6. Secure the harness firmly at the crossing point, using zip ties to prevent shaking. Step 7. Leave space for the power cutoff switch. Prepare the switch and the small spring, and connect them at the designated point where two tape-covered sections intersect. Step 8. Ensure the harness path is neat, with no tangling or looseness. Wiring is now complete.